Hi there, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create a workflow which sends a personalized score on a user's WhatsApp number. So the goal of this workflow is that whenever someone fills up the form or take the quiz, then based on their responses we are going to generate a PDF based on specified templates, and we are going to personalize that PDF and send them on user's WhatsApp number. So in this video we are going to use Pabbly Connect to create this workflow. Okay, so let me give you a brief overview of the structure of the workflow. So if I show you the structures, for example, first we will have the data, incoming data through webhook, and then we are going to format the number so that we are going to feed that number into our CRM, which is chat trace, and then based on different filters we are going to send them personalized PDF. Okay, so I'm going to show you the entire process, how I created the workflow and what are the steps I have used, and I will tell you each and everything, and we'll share the mind map as well. So the tools we are going to use in this video is Pabbly Connect. This is the most important thing, which is holding together everything. And to send WhatsApp messages we are going to use chat trace. You can use WhatsApp, I mean you can use Pabbly chat flow as well, but we are already using chat trace, so I have used chat trace. And to create a form we have used Lovable, and to create PDFs and to share the downloadable file we are going to use Google Drive. So these are the tools we have used in this video. So let me show you the workflow. So this is our Pabbly Connect dashboard. So first I have chosen a webhook. So from here, or I should create a new one. Let me show you. Let me create a new one. Let's go to the dashboard and click on create workflow. I have chosen classic. Create. This is a demo workflow. The actual workflow is this one. Okay, so over here you can choose workflow, and you can choose a catch hook, and then you can copy this URL and paste it in your software, like from wherever you want to receive the data. So for example, in this case I have pasted this in Lovable, and whenever new data is added in the form, the system is going to send that data on this webhook URL. Okay, so once you have received the data, then you will see this kind of interface. You would see response received. Okay, so you would see all the parameters which you are going to need to create the workflow. So for example, if you look at the data, for example, the phone number has the country code as well, so we don't want, because we are using chat race, so we just want the 10 digit number. So what we will do is we are going to use another function of Pabbly Connect, which is spreadsheet formula. So you have to choose number formatter. So I'm going to go here and I will choose number formatter. As you can see, number formatter by Pabbly, and choose spreadsheet formulas and click on connect. And over here you need to enter the formula. So as you can see, I have provided you the formula in the doc. As you can see, this is the formula. So replace this section with the number. Okay, so let me show you how it is done. So for example, this is the formula and I have replaced it with the number, so it will be dynamically changed, and then the output I will receive is just 10 digit. Okay, if your number is already in 10 digit, then that's fine, you don't need to include this step, you can remove it. But in our case we need the number in 10 digits. And then we have used routers. So we have 4 categories, we have 4 routes, and it all the routes are very similar. It is just that the based on the parameters, based on the filters, we are going to send a personalized or a different PDF based on users score. For example, if somebody scores between 0 to 45, they are going to receive PDF 1 or PDF, and if they have scored between 45 to 60, they are going to receive PDF 2. So I have created 4 templates in my Google Docs account, and I'm going to show you the templates as well. So this is the template, this is a standard template, and like based on your personalization you can change the content of the template so that every time when somebody fills up the form, they will receive a different template. For example, if I am scoring 0 to 45 in this range, then I'm going to receive my score and whatever I have specified in this template. Okay, so you just need to enter the placeholders. So these are the placeholders. I have provided these placeholders in over here as well. If you want to add more placeholders, you can add that. Okay, so I just want to replace with I want to add their name and their score in this PDF. Okay, so this is a standard template you need to create for each I would say parameter, or you can say filter. So in this flow, as you can see, I have 4 routes. So if I click on, then based on this I have filtered out. For example, if the score is less than 45, then this route will be proceed, for example. And then after that, let's say if the condition is met, then after that it will create a template. For example, this is the template 1 which I showed you. Okay, this is the template, you can say. And then based on that, and then it will create a new template. So I have added placeholder as well dynamically. For example, I have chosen the user's name, so that each time a new template name will be generated. Okay, and then template location, it is your Google Drive folder location. Okay, so where all your newly generated templates or PDF files are located. And then you have to replace the placeholders with the actual name and the score. So through the form, we are going to receive the name and the score. So we have replaced it, and then click on save. Okay, and then what will then, so we have created the PDF, and now it's time to get the downloadable URL of that PDF. Okay, so through Google Drive we have created the PDF. Okay, and now you are going to you are going to enter the file ID of your PDF. So if you just if you open the PDF and then if you click on save and send request, then you would receive document ID. So over here you need to use the document ID to get the downloadable URL. So over here I have used in action event share a file with anyone, and then I have replaced it with document ID. As you can see, this is the document ID. Okay, and then I have clicked on save and send, and then I have received multiple downloadable URLs. For example, this is the web view link and PDF. As you can see, this is the PDF URL. Okay, so we are going to use the PDF URL. Okay, and now you can just send this URL through email or WhatsApp. It depends on your client's requirement. Okay, so I have used chat race. So we have we are going to send the messages on WhatsApp using chat race. So first I have I will search the contact through their ID. So because all of our user base is from India, so I have used 91 and the phone number, and then it will fetch the data, and then it will add the URL as well. So for example, score link. Okay, so that it will be replaced in the templates, and the contact ID. Apart from that, I have added the score as well. Okay, so for example, we have a custom field for score, and then we will add the tag so that we will know how many contacts have already taken this quiz. And so we have added the tag, and based on the tag, we are going to trigger the template message. So this is the workflow, and the process is same for each route. For example, if I go, the thing we are changing is the filter. For example, if the number is greater than 45 and less than 60, then this particular route will be executed, and we are going to change the templates as well. For example, over here we have used a template second because each template is different. Okay, and rest of the process is very same like route 1. Okay, so this was the workflow. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments below. And